Today we are making this oven roasted honey glazed carrots. So of course, to start with, we're just going to peel our carrots. I have here 4 pieces of carrots, medium size. And then we're just gonna slice it diagonally. You can also slice it in strips. It's up to you. It's your preference. It doesn't matter how you slice it. And not too thin, but not too thick as well. Then we're just gonna put it in our baking dish. Then put some melted butter. And we have some garlic powder, some rosemary, thyme, parsley, and some cloves. Of course, these are some optional herbs. It's up to you if you leave them out. It doesn't matter. And then we have salt, and of course pepper. Then we are going to add our honey, about 2 teaspoons of honey. Then we're just gonna mix them up. Make sure that they are well coated, or the carrots is well coated. Now it's ready to be put inside the oven, preheated at 150 degrees Celsius. You can bake or roast it about 20 to 30 minutes until it's tender. And it has caramelized already, and this is how it should look like. It's looking so good.